What's going on, guys? Here I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Tablo 4th generation. And say you've just moved and it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi, or you just forgot the network and you can't find the device on your account. To do a factory reset, you just turn it around, press and hold this reset button for 7 seconds, and the light will start to flash. Also, this will factory reset it, so it's going to delete all the storage, everything on the device. It's going to look like the device is brand new. So once it stops blinking, let go. So again, recordings are going to be deleted. If you want to give this device away, say you want to resell it, whatever it is, again, this will make it look like the device is brand new. So once it's flashing, it's going through the reset process. And once that is all done, you can get on your Tablo app. If you're setting this up as new, you register and just walk through the on-screen instructions. If you have the app already, it's going to search and then it's going to say it can't find the device, and then you just add it as a new device.